Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Creativity by Numan and Siblings. So, I am here with one more video once again after a long time. So, today's video is also about some app. It is TuxPaint. Some of you, many of you, almost all of you have heard about it. I am right. Yes, it's a very nice app for drawing or coloring, painting. It's very nice. So you can use it. But how to download it in laptop? That I will tell you now. It can be also downloaded in mobile, but not. Sometimes only it happens. So it mainly happens in PC or laptop. So this is for PC or laptop only. Kindly keep this in mind. Okay, so let's continue. But before I have to tell that my subscribers aren't increasing. So guys, please subscribe. I am seeing that almost 50-60% people who are watching my videos aren't subscribing. Please do it and comment me if you get any problem. So we'll continue, we'll go ahead. So I'll tell you, and you can comment also on which I can make video. You can tell me anything how to download. I'll make video for that also, but you just tell me what I'll make video for you. So first of all, this website I'll provide in the chat, in the comment box and description. So you have to go on this website. So here you can see, and now here you can see Windows 10, 8 and 7. So you can use it only in 10, Windows 8 or 7. My Windows is 7, so I'm able to download. So you can choose any 32-bit or 64-bit. It depends on your PC. So here you can see it's written your download will start shortly. So here see you can, the download has started. So I'll skip the download procedure. You just wait for some time. Guys, till that time it's recording, I wanted to tell you about what some people have asked me in the comment boxes. So one thing that some people have asked me is that why who are the siblings who are helping me in creating this channel. So I'll tell you about that. The first helper who helped me in all these is my sister. Yeah, last video also you can see she only made, and some speeches also, and the editing work almost she does, and the content I find and I make, but some content she makes, and she edit and upload all that work she do. And one more, my sibling is my small brother. Actually he is small, but not too small. He's in third standard. So I wanted to tell that these both siblings are helping me in creating my channel. So I want just you to tell. And the videos that I am uploading are also related to technology, speeches, not gaming or other things. It's just about education and creativity too, drawings and speeches. It's all that only. So you can, if you are a good educator, or your teachers can also, if you are, so you can watch this channel as your reference, because I can upload many speeches that can help you in many ways, and I'll upload many useful things which you can find. So I wanted just you all to show the power of education, because like other channels, gaming, they are getting subscribers too fast. But the channel of education, why aren't they growing? You should all help us. It doesn't take any money. You just have to click on subscribe. It's not like that now. I need to give my money. He's asking to subscribe. It's just a simple click. Just do it. So it's about to complete. the download. And I have uploaded many videos, and I remember that in my very old video I told you that I'll make a introduction of PowerPoint, how to use PowerPoint. So don't worry, I'll upload that too soon. Okay, so I'll upload that soon, and you get ready for that videos. And if it's not working, something happens, then just tell in comment box, I'll just help you. Okay, so please support me. I'm waiting for your support for my channel. So soon I know that my channel will also increase. So all now the download is completed almost. So now what we have to do, now we have to run this file. See here, download, so you need to click on it. So here you need to run it. Okay, so I have clicked on run. See, so you need to click on yes. It's asking that you want to make changes to this computer. Allow it, because the publisher of this app is unknown. So publisher is unknown now, so we need to allow it. So we will allow, and now we need to just wait. Here you can see it's asking about language. Okay, language it's asking. So I'll choose English because my language is English. So we need to accept the agreements. Then next you can use any, both are fine. And this is also where you want to keep it in the folder, which folder. So I'll do next, and next create a desktop shortcut. If you want you can do, or you can't. So I did it, and here the destination is also there, everything is there. Now you need to click on final install. So this is the extracting part. Here it will extract and come in your laptop, the file. So here till the time it's extracting, let's wait. You can also skip the video till it's extracting. Yes, so almost it's extracted. See, so here it's done. We need to finish. Now just see, this is the current user. We need to, all users we can do, and quit you need to. It's just now completed the drawing. Now you can see TextPaint is downloaded, and the shortcut is also here. So you can just click it, double or triple click, so it will open, and now you can use it properly. See, and I'll do some also, so that you understand how to use. And see, I have did some drawings also. You can color it, or you can open a new one, or any, you can use it. You can draw drawings new. You just need to learn how to use it. Open. So here you can draw whatever you want, and you can add stamps, whatever you want to do you can do. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you have just liked it. I'll just count 1, 2. I know you have liked it. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you will like the video. Bye bye.